Welcome to Asian Delight's Kitchen. Winter solstice is a very important festival for most Asian countries, especially China. On this day, family would get together to enjoy traditional food and get ready for the arrival of winter. Today, I'm going to share an easy recipe for glutinous rice balls in sweet ginger soup with you. This is a common dessert in many Cantonese families. Since there isn't any filling in the rice balls, it is easy to make with just 3 ingredients. Let's start with peeling 1 piece of ginger. Cut it in half and crush it or cut it into slices. We are using brown candy pieces today. This is commonly used in Asian desserts. It is a little different than American brown sugar. The taste resembles the cooked white refined sugar close to caramel. In a medium-sized pot, add in 4 cups of water, ginger, and sugar. For the sugar, I would recommend adding in half of the piece first. You can adjust the sweetness later on. Turn it to a boil, then change to low-medium heat. In the meantime, we are going to make the dough by using glutinous rice flour. Heat up 1 to 1/4 cup of water until warm, but not burning hot temperature. 1.5 minutes is about the amount of time that I did. When you touch the edge of the container, it doesn't feel too hot. It should be safe to use. Put flour in a bowl, add in some warm water a little at a time. Then use a pair of chopsticks or small spatula to mix. Save some water for a possible adjustment to add in later. When all the flour is almost mixed into chunks, you can start kneading. Give it a couple of minutes until you feel the dough is starting to form. Add in some water if it's too dry, or add in a little bit of flour when it's too wet after you add in the water. The dough should form and ready after a few minutes. If you ever play with Play-Doh, it is very close to that texture. Separate the dough to half and cover with a wet paper towel or cloth. Generally roll it out and cut into 4 sections. Repeat and cut it into 4 smaller sections afterward. Place a small portion of the dough on the center of your hand. Roll it into ball with 2 hands. Look at that. As easy as pie. Sprinkle some flour on a plate before putting the rice balls on it to prevent sticking. Let's try to roll 2 balls at a time. Put 2 small dough pieces on your hand. Leave a little space and generally roll them like this. It's okay if they stick together. We can separate them and try it again. Remember, practice makes perfect. Here you go. Our little cute snowy glutinous rice balls are done. Before cooking the rice balls, you can taste the sweetness of the soup and add more sugar if you wish. Add in the rice balls a little at a time. Once it's all done, cook at high heat for around 4 minutes. Stir it a little bit to make sure that they are not sticking onto the pot. Look at those rice balls. I can't wait to eat them. Here you go, a bowl of warm, delicious glutinous rice ball in sweet ginger soup. The sweetness from the brown candy, the ginger flavor, and the chewy, tender rice balls are so perfect together. I hope you like it and try it at home. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my channel. Thank you. See you next time.